Hey everyone, welcome back to Robot Explains. Today we will talk about, what is thunder? Thunder is the sound that is produced by the rapid expansion of air heated by a lightning bolt. Lightning is a powerful electrical discharge that occurs when there is a buildup of charge in the atmosphere. This charge can be caused by a variety of factors, such as differences in temperature, pressure, or humidity. When the charge becomes great enough, it will jump from one point in the atmosphere to another, creating a lightning bolt. The lightning bolt is a powerful current of electricity that is hot enough to heat the air around it to tens of thousands of degrees. This rapid heating causes the air to rapidly expand, creating a shock wave that produces thunder. Thunder can be heard at distances of up to 10 miles from a lightning bolt. The sound is caused by the shock wave created by the rapidly expanding air, which compresses and then rarefies the air, creating a sound wave that travels through the air. The thunder is heard as a loud, sharp noise that can last for several seconds. The louder the thunder, the closer the lightning bolt is to the observer. Thunder can also be classified into different types based on their characteristics. Continuous thunder, for example, is usually heard during a thunderstorm with a lot of lightning activity. It sounds like a continuous roar because it is caused by multiple lightning bolts happening in close succession. On the other hand, isolated thunder is heard when lightning strikes far away and there is only one thunderclap heard. The speed of sound is much slower than the speed of light, so the sound of thunder is heard after the flash of lightning is seen. The interval between the flash and the sound of thunder is used to estimate the distance of the lightning bolt. For every 5 seconds between the flash and the sound, the lightning bolt is 1 mile away. Thunder can also be used to study the atmosphere. Scientists use the sound of thunder to study the properties of the atmosphere and to determine the location of thunderstorms. This is done by measuring the time delay between the lightning and the thunder, as well as the intensity of the thunder. By measuring these characteristics, scientists can determine the location and severity of thunderstorms. In conclusion, thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expansion of air heated by a lightning bolt. It is caused by the rapid heating of the air around a lightning bolt, which creates a shock wave that produces thunder. The sound of thunder can be heard at distances of up to 10 miles from a lightning bolt. Thunder can also be classified into different types based on their characteristics, and scientists use the sound of thunder to study the properties of the atmosphere and to determine the location of thunderstorms. And finally, 2 funny facts. Thunder was once thought to be the sound of gods bowling in the sky. A group of thunderstorms is called a thunderstorm complex, which sounds like a group of superheroes teaming up to save the world from evil. If you like our video, press like and subscribe.